Hi children! Yes, today I am at school and I'm still playing Halloween games. Today we're going to see if you remember what things all Halloween characters can do. Let's do this, okay? Look at the sentences. If I wear a... we don't know. Oh, can you see? We have this beautiful roulette with all Halloween characters. And inside all these coffins, we have words that can point actions that the characters do or don't do. Okay? Show us who are we playing with. Oh, okay. A scarecrow. If I wear a scarecrow, I could what? Let's just open this coffin here. Oh, I could fly. If I were a scarecrow, I could fly. No. Scarecrows never fly, never move. Yeah, that's not the word. Go back into the coffin. Okay, let's open this other one. Oh, what is it saying? Ah, yes, can you read it? If I were a scarecrow, I could wear a hat. I could wear a hat. So we have one. Great. Let's keep playing with the roulette. Another character. Okay. A mummy. Ooh, if I were a mummy, I could. What could we do? I don't know. Let's open this. I could do magic? I don't think so. Mummies don't do magic. No, that's not okay. All right. Let's open another coffin. Okay, this one here. Oh, I could clean everything with my towels. Okay, that's fun. Yeah, you could. Actually, you could. Yeah, because it's full of towels and toilet paper. So he could clean up everything. Okay, so that is correct. What else? Another character. Oh, a magician. If I were a magician, okay, I think I know. Inside the first coffin, right? Remember? Let's open it. I could fly. Yes, easy, correct. Wizards, magicians, and witches can do everything. They fly and do a lot of magic. I love that.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello friends! Let's go with the last activity of the modal verb could. Yes, remember when we put if and could together means that we're talking or imagining things that might happen in the future, okay? So let's put these words in order. If I were a vampire. Okay, we have them in red and here we have some other colors, so I think that we need to connect them. Let's just start ordering these ones. We could be invisible, that is what we have here. We is the number 1, we could 2, be 3, invisible 4. So it's blue. If we were ghost, we could be invisible. Yes, blue and blue. Okay, let's go now for the orange. If I were a vampire, I couldn't 2, sleep 3, 4 at night. I couldn't sleep at night. So let's go. I could not sleep at night. Great. Now we go for the orange. If she was a witch, She, 1, could 2, make 3, 4 potions. She could make potions. She could make potions. Well done. And now let's go for the yellow. If they were wizards, they, 1, could 2, 3 be everything. They could be everything. Yes, they could. They could be everything. Right. And let's go for the last one. If you were a black cat, you, 1, could 2, climb up 3, 4, 5 a house. You could climb up a house. Beautiful, great. So this is it. And now here you have this wizard with his parrot, a witch with the potion and the pot, and a vampire. So these paintings are totally yours to paint and enjoy. Goodbye.